Welcome today in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. After that you'll see here the ring identification volume panel, and just to unmute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the right side this white dot. Also I have the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that in default volume button control function you have selected ringtone volume, and now just by press up volume button on the right side of our phone we can also unmute the ringtone volume, and we can make it by the third way just by swipe to the up this volume panel with our finger. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.